How you doing?
I thought I would speak to the entrepreneurs in the room. If you're an entrepreneur, raise your hand. Nice and high, great. And the investors, raise your hand. Great, there we go. Wow, what a great mix. It's probably 2 to 1, which is a good ratio. We invest at my company Launch in 80 companies. We'll have invested in 80 companies this year. I've invested in well over 200 companies in the past decade. And I have given a lot of thought to the consciousness that this next generation of millennials bring to the table when they're building their companies. And I'm truly impressed by it. But what I'm not impressed by is the reaction they get when they go meet with venture capitalists and investors. And I thought I would just be candid with the entrepreneurs, if they would allow me to, in letting them know that you need to lead with a business. These two things, being great at business, having a lot of profits, and doing good things in the world are not mutually exclusive. They can be done together.
It is not about the VC community. It is not about what's happening by the investors. It is all about what's happening by the entrepreneurs.
There's been a shift in thinking from companies just out there to make money and to make products for other companies or consumers to an awareness that we don't have much time to change the trajectory. And technology, it's very clear, it accelerates everything we do.
Thank you, everyone, for your support. It is really, it's just really great that you came to this and understand what we're trying to do here. So, thank you.